Welcome back to Cookie Island.
Today we got a gingerbread thing. It's a gingerbread volcano.
Yeah, we discovered a new island within our island system. It is erupting as we speak. Here it is. A gingerbread volcano, and it's erupting icing.
With candy.
Yeah, so, well, we want to go over there, but we got to build a bridge. So you know what that means. Let's press B for build and start building with our cookies. Let's see here.
Like that. Make with the letters.
Which one?
The letters.
Oh, the letter one? Oh, yeah, we'll make a Doge bridge.
Hey, that's a little one.
Yeah, we'll make it bigger, so we're going to put it out. And get the big square. Bring it up 10 times, and then boom. Now we got it. Now rotate it. And we're going to send it over the water. Here we go. Alright, let's see if this is good. Yep, we can walk onto it. Oh no, it's not long enough. What do we do?
Stretch it. Stretch it.
Yeah, well, we can't stretch it anymore. It won't scale up. So what we can do is we'll hit the B button for build again. And then we'll copy it.
Copy.
Yep.
What is copycat?
And we'll copy it all the way.
All the way up?
All the way out.
I like it to be a staircase.
Yeah, it's basically going to be like a staircase. Oops. Control Z to undo it. Oh, did it again. Oh man. Not very good at this. Here we go. What song were you just humming, buddy?
It's a Thai song.
Oh, a Thai song?
Yeah. Daddy,
Huh?
that looks like a cookie squid
Yes, it is.
before you stay out. You can make your own bridge. Like for the dog bones.
Yeah, anybody can do it. Well, in fact, you can use these exact files. You could just get the NFT off the marketplace.
Oh, no, stop. You need to stop. You want to test it out?
Sure. Alright. Here we go. Yay! Seems to be working pretty good. Alright, check that out.
Okay, let's build a cookie volcano. Can I build a cookie volcano?
This is it. This is our gingerbread volcano, and it's spewing out candies. And look at the candies all over. It's a rough surface. We gotta run all over the icing and candies. There's icing flow, just like you have a lava flow on a real volcano. Can we get on top? How do we even get up there?
Or you can go on another volcano.
Oh, we might have to build a cookie thing to get up there.
A cookie ladder?
Yeah. Should we build a cookie ladder?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you know what that means, folks. Get more cookies. And which one should we do?
Oh. That's the name ones. Yes.
This one?
Yeah.
The one that says fight on it?
What is like?
We don't need to do the fight one. Let's do,
A gecko? Gecko?
we could do a
That?
penguin one.
What is that? That's a goofy. It's a goofy. That's
Yeah. There's a penguin one.
That's a Goofy. That's Goofy. That's Goofy. That's Goofy.
Yeah, did you ever hear of pudgy penguins?
Yeah, they're Goofy. They're
Yeah.
Goofy.
It's a funny project. But they got some pretty cool stuff. I like their penguins. And let's see here.
We got the cookie
And
left.
I'm gonna
Copy, copy, copy. Copy, copycat. Copy left.
copy.
That's it. You know it's on. Done. You want to test it out?
Hey.
Oh, you did so good.
Gonna drop this down a little bit.
You wanna make another volcano? You wanna put another volcano?
Well, I think next time this volcano will have completed erupting. You know, it'll look different.
Why? Why, Daddy?
Because volcanoes don't always look the same all the time. They, they end up blowing out all their lava and icing, and they turn into a big old cookie. Here we go to the top. Hey, we made it! Oh, look at all this chocolate and candy coming out of the icing volcano.
Or let's do it.
Man, I wish this was real, man. I would be chowing down right now.
I wish this was real too, and I can eat the icing.
Yeah. Man, this would be so good. Woo! Well, anyway, bye-bye, volcano. Let's run back.
I'm gonna say hello to our boxer.
Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, we can go say hi to Mr. Boxer.
Also the guy on another island.
Hey, buddies. How's it going?
They don't have an umbrella.
Hey, what happened to the umbrella?
Man,
Yeah, maybe they got rid of it.
yeah, they got rid of it. No, they left it at the beach. They left it at the beach.
Oh, I need to fix my bridge. I just fell off. Hey, look, it's the other Shiba Inu and his puppy buddy. Alright, well, it's been a long day. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for stopping by Cookie Island.